How's it going, everybody? My name's Eric, and in this video we're going to be converting this Dyson V6 handheld vacuum cleaner into a Dyson V6 that accepts Dewalt batteries. It's a very simple process, and by the end of this video you should be able to do it yourself in a very short amount of time. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, subscribe so you don't miss another project, and let's get into the tutorial. Why are we doing this? Well, our battery on our Dyson is dead. Anytime I pull the trigger, I get one little burst, and then I get an orange light down there, and then it flashes blue. It's the original battery pack with this model, and it just doesn't hold a charge anymore. Rather than buying another pack or an aftermarket pack, I have a bunch of Dewalt batteries at home that I use with my Dewalt tools, and I just want to convert this to accept this, and I think that's a better solution. The conversion is really easy. You're just going to buy a little kit off of Amazon. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to install it, but you want to make sure you get the kit that matches your vacuum cleaner. So if you have a V6, V7, V8, V9, V10, whatever, 11, you want to make sure the way you look at your battery, where your screws are. For instance, I have a really high screw right here, and I have two screws on the front, and you want to look at that in comparison when you're shopping for your converter. So I ordered mine off of Amazon. It was like 25 bucks, came Amazon Prime in a day or two, and I will put a link to it in the description. It's going to be super easy to install, and this is what it looks like. That is where our battery pack clicks onto. It's got the two terminals, and then that's going to provide power via a switch trigger to the vacuum cleaner like that, and then we have our three mounting points right there. So very easy for this model. We have two screws right here that I'm going to take out lefty-loosey, and then I have one screw up top here that I have to take out lefty-loosey, and then the battery pack should slide out. I don't even have to open or remove the dustbin, which is nice. And we're gonna reuse all three of these screws, put our pack to the side, throw our converter in, and now we're gonna screw all three of these screws back in. And just like that, our converter is installed. Battery just slides on like that, and now we have suction. So what somebody threw away in the trash, we just fixed. This can be useful for you for Dewalt, for Makita, for Ryobi or Milwaukee. There are some limitations to it, like the docking is not gonna work correctly anymore. So if you're really into the dock charging, then that might be something to think about. But having one that's hot swappable like this, I feel like is definitely an upgrade for most people. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, subscribe so you don't miss another video, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.